Mondays can certainly be tough, but wouldn't it be better if we could just have napping day? A good excuse to take a nap. It is National Nap Day. Scott?
Yeah, what?
Scott?
What?
It's time to wake up.
What? What's happening?
I know it's National Nap Day, but you need to come help do the segment on napping, not take the nap.
It's so comfy in here, I can be honest with you.
Can we always do the show with the lights dimmed? Our friend Limor Suss is here, and she's showing us how to take napping to another level. I think it worked for him.
Anywhere. In 6 seconds, I was out like a light. I could nap anywhere. My goodness gracious. Hello, Limor.
Hello. I could nap anywhere, too. Like, I am such a big napper, and then I also try and teach my kids to be big nappers because I think there's nothing better than just taking a nap in the middle of the day.
So
it's good.
It just revitalizes
too.
100%.
Yeah.
And well, I'm from Israel, and I know in European countries they have anywhere between 2 and 4 every day. It's like siestas, and you go home, you take a nap, and then you come back to work.
So you actually have some products that can actually help us nap a little bit better.
A little bit better, yeah. Nap a little bit better, but also sleep a little bit better. And so I guess we'll start with your eye mask, even though that was a little bit later on.
This really is a blackout eye mask.
It's a blackout eye mask, so it's great.
It's spectacular.
It's great. One, I think it's really great because I feel like sometimes you lay in bed and you think about something, you're like, oh, let me look at my phone, let me do this. This will like keep your eyes shut. They have weighted ones in there. This one is great because you can't see anything, and it really is like
you really can't see anything.
And so it's really great, like blackout. Like people have blackout curtains, but this is great because obviously much less expensive than blackout curtains and really easy to just kind of put on, and you can really nap anywhere.
And you know, there's tension to it, but there's not an incredible amount of tension.
Right.
Not uncomfortable.
Yeah, because I think it has Velcro in the back, and there are a ton of these. This one I just got at Bed Bath & Beyond. It was like less than $20, but they have so many different brands that create eye masks that this would be great.
This I've never heard of.
The weighted blankets have been a big deal for kids, especially sensory kids, but they're good for all kids. But now they make them for adults because I've always said, why isn't every blanket weighted? It's so much better.
Yes, so these are weighted blankets. This one is from Therapeutic, and what it does is it really helps calm and relax you. It really also stimulates your melatonin, like your body to create melatonin. It almost simulates like someone giving you like a nice big hug. This one is a throw, and they come in all different price points because they have different weights to them. So this one is 10 pounds, but they go up to 25 pounds. And you can see like...
It's remarkable. It really is. It's delightful. I just want to crawl into bed with this on top of me.
You put that on and your body knows, it's time to relax.
And I think, and we were saying, like, it really is good for kids, but this is really great for adults as well. Sometimes people always tell me, like, oh, I'm laying down and I just cannot fall asleep. That's why I can't nap. Okay. This is a really great way to do that.
Perfect.
Okay, so this is a travel pillow. So this is from TRTL. So what's cool about this is it has, so this is great if you, like, maybe take a train home or you have a long train ride and you want to take a nap on the train, or even if you're just traveling maybe on a plane or something. So what it is you put it on your neck. You do the wrap first. You put it on your neck, and then you connect
for whiplash.
100%. But it really kind of keeps your spine in alignment, so it has like ergonomic, like it's much better for you than one of those like memory foam pillows, and it's really just calm. And if you wanted to, I guess you can do it like behind, though I don't think that would be very comfortable. But you can do the right side, the left side. I travel a lot, so this is like a really. Do you want to try it?
No, I'm good.
I love that.
So they have all different. So they have all different. Options with that, and you can like toggle it up and down. But I will say, a lot of times when I sleep like on planes and stuff, my neck when I wake up, it's like, oh, it kills me. So this is a really great
cool.
product.
I really do love it though.
Right, okay, this is a special candle. It's not just relaxing because of the light.
Yeah, so it looks like it's just a regular candle, but what's cool about it is it's from iHome, and it has color light therapy, but it also has different music sounds to it as well. So if you like a sound machine, it's really great. So for example, if you want to hear like the ocean or the beach or a rainforest or whatever it might be.
Oh, that's perfect for Kara.
It even has a calming meditation and a breathing guide.
Yeah, it really is cool. And what I love about this is that you just put it on your nightstand, and it's small and it's discreet, and it's not this like big, massive like light machine, and it's really cool and calming.
Yeah. We got about a minute left.
It's great. So these are what this is. So a lot of people always tell me they have a hard time falling asleep. So whether it is at night or whether they want a nap. So this is from Good Day Chocolate, and so what they do is their chocolate. It's fair trade chocolate, and then inside. are different. So this has like, the sleep one has melatonin and chamomile flower, and then they also make one for kids. And then the calming one has L-theanine, I don't know what, but and chamomile flower as well, so to calm you. And it tells you, like, one is gonna, or two of them is gonna be like a chill pill, but then Maxin and Relaxin would be like 8 of them. And basically it just tastes like chocolate.
That's awesome.
Really cool. I actually, I don't really need help falling asleep, but I like the energy. They also have energy ones as well.
That's so cool.
So, and you can find those, I think, at like Whole Foods.
She said not to try it right now because we
Yeah, because I know if you guys have like the new, different show, I know you're gonna fall asleep.
Okay.
And then I always say a great sheet set.
Yeah.
So this one is 650 count. You can get it at Bed Bath & Beyond. It doesn't matter what brand you get, but I always think that the sheet count and the thread count is what you want to be looking for. It is an investment, but something that you spend so much time in every day is something that you want to invest in.
Spend a third of your life in bed. You might as well be comfortable doing it, right?
Exactly.
Well, thank you, Limor. We appreciate that.
Thanks so much, guys.
For entertaining inspiration and recipe ideas, be sure to stop by Limor's blog. You're going to find it at limorloves.com.